You will love the features of this 2020 Hyundai Palisade. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 60,000 miles on the odometer. This boldly styled, highly capable Palisade is an outstanding value. 3-row seating, a premium interior, ample cargo area, available all-wheel drive, V6 power and standard driver assistance are just some of the many features that make this spacious crossover irresistible. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: head-up display, heated and/or cooled front seats, 3rd-row seat, all-wheel drive, sun, moonroof, V6 cylinder engine, power liftgate, lane keeping assist, keyless start, premium sound system. Enjoy the confidence that comes with being prepared for adventure in this well-equipped Palisade. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.